Is your LG soundbar woofer refusing to cooperate, leaving you with lackluster audio? Fixing a malfunctioning woofer is crucial for maintaining an immersive sound experience. In this guide, we'll explore easy and effective steps on how to fix your LG soundbar woofer not working, ensuring your sound system delivers that booming bass you crave. Step 1. Check the power connection. Before diving into more complex solutions, start with the basics. Ensure your woofer is receiving power. Inspect power cables. Unplug and replug the power cable both at the outlet and at the woofer itself. Ensure connections are secure. Test the outlet. Use another device to verify the outlet is functioning properly. If it isn't, try a different power source. Check the power indicator. If your woofer has a power indicator, ensure it's lit. If not, you might need to replace the fuse or check for other internal power issues. Step 2. Verify the wireless connection. Sometimes the woofer's issue stems from a flaky wireless connection with the soundbar. Reset the connection. Turn off both the soundbar and woofer. After a minute, power them back on to reset their connection. Pair the devices manually. Follow the pairing instructions in your LG soundbar manual. This typically involves pressing a pair button on both the soundbar and woofer. Ensure proximity. The woofer and soundbar should be within the recommended distance specified by LG, usually not more than a few feet apart for a stable wireless connection. Step 3. Adjust sound settings. Your woofer might be working just fine, but incorrect settings could limit its effectiveness. Check volume levels. Make sure the woofer output is not muted or set to a very low level through the soundbar settings. Select the correct sound mode. Some sound modes emphasize treble and can mute the bass. Try switching modes to one that enhances bass output. Use the equalizer. Adjust bass levels in the equalizer settings to ensure the woofer has a role to play in your overall audio experience. Step 4. Examine software updates. Software issues can sometimes cause the woofer to malfunction. Here's how to address this. Update your firmware. Check LG's website or the LG app linked to your device for possible firmware updates. Install any that are available. Reboot after updates. Once updates are installed, reboot both the soundbar and woofer to ensure changes take effect. Step 5. Inspect for physical damage. Physical damage may be to blame for your woofer woes. Check for visible damage. Look for cracks, dents, or detached parts on the woofer itself. Listen for distortion. If the woofer produces distorted sound, the speaker might be damaged internally. Consult a professional. If you suspect internal damage, it's best to seek professional repair services rather than risk further. By following these simple steps, you can often troubleshoot and resolve issues with an LG soundbar woofer that's not working. From checking power connections to updating software, there are multiple strategies to ensure your woofer is back to delivering the robust audio your setup deserves. However, safety and caution are key. If the DIY approach doesn't solve your issue, consider reaching out to LG support or a professional technician to avoid voiding warranties or causing unintended damage. With patience and a little effort, you'll be able to enjoy your full sound system to its potential once more.